Do you like chicken or do you like pizza? Chicken have many protein and it's crispy, but pizza have bread and many toppings. But I think chicken is better than pizza. I will give you 2 reasons to support my opinion. First, chicken have many protein because chicken is meat and meat have many protein. And human needs protein to make energy, so chicken is good. And there is many flavor like sprinkle, spicy, onion sauce, and cheese. And it is so crispy that there is chicken. It means crispy crumble crunch. Plus, Korea chicken store is more than World McDonald's store. Second, chicken is tasty with another food. For example, cup noodle, tteokbokki, curry, green onion, cheese ball, cheese stick. Plus, it tastes better if you watch sports, like soccer or baseball, and it is better to have cola or Sprite. And in Mom's Touch, there is signature burger called Sai Burger. It is made by Chicken Sai. That means Koreans really like chicken, so there is chicken in burger. In conclusion, I like chicken because it has many protein and it is tasty with another food. And in future, I hope there will be more flavor in chicken.